Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Lexica Art Search Engine. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now when you first visit Lexica Art, this is what you're going to see. On their homepage, you're going to notice that there is a search bar over here. Now what is this search bar or this search engine over here? Basically, when you search for a topic, for example, let's say a laptop, and click on search, it will show you all the different artworks, all the different generated images in Lexica that has a specific topic laptop on it. And as you can see here, these are the different outputs that has the topic laptop on it. So let's change it again. Let's go with a cat and click on search, and you will be able to see different outputs of cats over here. Let's go with another one. Let's say Gundam. Then click on search, and you will be able to see more topics of the different images over here. And that's basically the use of the search engine in Lexica Art. It's going to show you the different outputs based on the search that you have inputted over here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.